Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this basket in 10 minutes. I use this wooden base. This is circle base for make baskets and bags. I use 5 mm hook and spaghetti yarn. Pull up yarn, insert your hook and pull up yarn like this, yarn over, make chain in this yarn over, pull up yarn and make one chain. Hide this yarn under a stitch, tail of yarn under a stitch, insert your hook into next circle, pull up yarn like this, yarn over and pull through, make one single crochet like this, insert your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together and make one single crochet, insert your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have two yarns, pull through, make one single crochet, make one single crochet in each stitch around this base. I will make one single crochet in each stitch for this round like this. I made one single crochet until here in last stitch. I show insert your hook from back into first stitch. Take a yarn like this, pull up yarn and complete first round. Like this I show. Go to this stitch, insert your hook, take this yarn on your hook, pull up yarn, like this, make a chain, in here insert your hook into this stitch like this, take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have two yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make one single crochet. We have one single crochet in here, insert your hook under this yarn, take this yarn on your hook, I show like this, go to next stitch. Now we have two yarns on hook, go to next stitch, from back loop, pull up yarn. We have three yarns, pull through three yarns together, insert your hook under this yarn, take this yarn on your hook, insert your hook into next stitch, take from back loop, pull through 3 yarns together. Take this yarn, unhook, back loop, go to back loop, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Insert your hook under this yarn, go to next stitch from back loop, take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, and continue like this for this round. I show slowly, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. In last stitch, insert your hook under this yarn, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, insert your hook, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch, and complete this round. Make a chain, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, make single crochet in here, pull through 2 yarns together, and continue same as before round. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, take front loop in this round like this, take front loop in next stitch, take this yarn, take front loop, insert your hook under this yarn, take front loop, pull through 3 yarns together, and continue. In last stitch, insert your hook into first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through and make a slip stitch.